Too sweet hawthorn tints the air. Faint coconut gorse seduces us like bees. We're a disparate bunch, faces open to May sunshine and the landscape that 40 slow years have greened. We spread out along the scrub with pots and nets, boots scrunch on low-lying coal shards. Beneath that gritty earth, busy miners hacked rock to feed their kids. Now the busy miner bee forages to make a living. Snaps of conversation punctuate the quiet air and rise above the spoil-tip's dome into that perfect blue. The male mining bee is nothing more than flying sperm. See their weedy legs like filaments? Only the female bee can sting with her modified egg-laying tube. This grey patch mining bee is a solitary, her sting's not strong enough to pierce the skin. We breathe in knowledge with the summer air. The best time to pick windbreeze, says Ian. When it's hammering down, Nan said, hours of child time spent gathering the free little berries for a Sunday tart. Now we plod up the old dram road to the tip, past the shafts, their rims cushioned with grasses, the undulating ground greened and softened, the pulleys silent, machinery stilled. An ashy mining bee works the plot, a solitary female, cloud grey, soot black, striking as the miners with their ash-grey faces, coal-lined eyes. We gather like horses in the field, feeling the sun warm on our backs, and listen to the tales, tall as the sky. The gorse is like a beacon, Becky says. Gorse flames gold on the tip top. Its dark spoil glints beneath a raven's wings. I am a symbol of the collier's toil, it says. They dug me out, raised me up, angry and ugly as sin. Now this crown burns bright on my head, and I am at peace. I will not choke you now. I will not drown your babies in my tears. My dust is enclosed in the wilding. You can breathe easy now, my friend. You hear those notes first, familiar as a voice from a dream, that low bell chime from the hawthorn tree. Then you spot the shape there. She's perched on a fence post, still as a statue carved from wood. Now she's off, look. Surely that's a falcon outlined on the blue, its wings and tail hawking through the air. No, look again. It's our cuckoo keeping up appearances, putting the frighteners on the other birds, until it's time to drop her silent bomb into a nest that isn't hers, as she cuckolds the credulous meadow pipit to raise her chick. Cuckoo, cuckoo, seductive, exotic, triumphant.